Interior angles. What do you understand by interior angles? What is the meaning of interior angle? Uh, Interior, which means angles. First of all, here angles are interior. Angles are in interior area. This is meaning of interior angles word. Okay. So there are angles which is in inside area of a polygon, and polygon here would be what, and a regular polygon. Why? We are going to look, we are going to observe what formula. So remember, here there are angles, but angles are in inside area of a shape. This is the meaning of interior angles. Okay, interior angles. Now, to find out, mm, let's say we our topic is quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be rhombus, can be rectangle, can be parallelogram. A, B, C, D. So here, main point is angles. Okay. So here, how much angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the end of right angle. So 4 angles. We have 4 angles. So these are angles inside of this quadrilateral. Okay. Now formula of finding what each interior angles, each interior angle. So to find total angles of a regular polygon, to find the total angles of a regular polygon, formula would be how much? N minus 2 multiple 360, no, 180. We can even check this formula is correct or not. 4. Okay, N minus 2. So sides, how much? N is sides, number of sides of a regular polygon. Okay, of a regular polygon. Here angles, values of angles is the same. Now A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2, and 2 multiple 180 would be 360 degree. And it is said that complete angles of interior angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. It is said. And now we have seen, but it's a true. It's a true that this formula is correct. When we apply this formula for this quadrilateral, for a square, even for a square, then complete measure of interior angles of this quadrilateral, even a square, would be how much? 360 degree. 360 degree. What if we have there is a pentagon? Then don't worry. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 minus 2, 3, multiply 160 degree, then we will get how much? 3 multiple, so 540. 540. 80. 8 3 are 20. Okay. This is the total values of interior angles of a pentagon. I am clear. Now, to find out total angles of a regular polygon, total interior angles. Remember, okay? interior angles. Interior angles of a regular polygon. This is formula. Now, each to find each interior angles, what would be formula? To find each interior angles of regular polygon would be what? Can you tell me? Can you tell? So here you will observe what we can apply our linear pair formula, which means what? Just we will subtract. Just we will subtract 180 minus how much? Each exterior angles. This is formula to find out each interior angles of a regular polygon. When we say each, which means 1, 1, 1. This one, this one, this one. So values of this angle is something similar same. Let's suppose this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay. We have to find this. We know what total value of these four angles is how much? 360 degree. 360 degree. We have to find out value of this angle. Value of each of this angle is how much? Just we will what? Subtract from each exterior angle. Now question is what? We don't know value of each exterior angle. So to find out each exterior angles, it is very simple. Just we will what? We will divide we will divide what number of polygon. Just we will divide 360 by number of polygons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 360 by n. N is how much? 4. 9 4 is 4. So 9. 19. Yeah. Remember, to find each exterior angles, we can apply our formula, which is 300 minus 360 upon n. Now 360 off. Here there is a what rule. Otherwise, you can say whatever we have a polygon, it doesn't matter. So all values of all exterior angles of a regular polygon would be 300. Always would be 360 degree. Now, just we have to observe how much we have sides of a polygon. Okay. Now, okay. So 180 and then 90 would be how much? 90. So here remember, this is 90 of this, of this, of this. Okay. And this is also 90. Here you can see. And now we can check. Already we know this is a familiar. No, this is a linear pair. Here two lines are intersecting. Two lines are intersecting. So here, as you can see, this is line, this is line, this is line, and here we have two angles. One this is side and this is side second. and now we will sum up both these two angles, then we will have a 180 degree. Because of we have a straight line. A straight line is of 180 degree. Yeah. Okay. So here we have two formulas. First, to find out the total interior angles of a regular polygon, we will apply this formula, and if we want if equation is the same to find each interior angles of that polygon, we will apply this formula. Now what do you know what oh, one second. Exterior angles. What? Exterior angles. Exterior angles. Okay. Exterior angles. Here, what is the meaning of exterior angle? Exterior, outside. Exterior, which means outside. So outside angles of this polygon is how much? These are angles which we are talking about. Okay. So here, total angles of exterior, total angles of exterior, total angles of exterior angles. One second. Total value of exterior angles is always how much? 360 degree. How much? 360 degree. Always remember. Okay, so here what is exterior and here what was interior. There is huge difference between interior and exterior angles. So already we know total value of exterior angles of a polygon, uh, of a regular polygon. I don't have clear idea regular polygon or irregular polygon. So total value of exterior angles of a polygon, remember, would be how much? 360 degree. Now question is saying find each exterior angles of polygon, we will apply formula which is 360 upon n, and we already familiar. We have talked about it already. Okay. Now we have how much formulas? 4. Not 4, only 3. This is just a statement. Okay. And remember, this 4 is important to know us. Clear. Now we are able to apply these formulas in our upcoming question. Just have a look. Now, I am going to take a question. We have a pattern like this. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, pattern. Now, A, B, C, D. This is X. This is X. This is X. Krishna is saying, find find X, find value of X. This is Krishna. Find a value of X. So how is it possible? How is it possible? Krishna is not saying find a total value of each no of total value of interior angles of this. No, this is not Krishna is saying. Rather, instead, it is saying find each interior angles of this given diagram. So in each interior angles, how is it possible? Just 180 minus each exterior angles. Okay, 180 minus it means 360 upon n. 180 minus 360 upon n. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45? No, we can directly write down. Is it correct or not? 5 sevens are 35. 1 0. This was 72. This is 72. We don't have 400 something. So 72. We have 72. So of course 108. 108. This is our answer. Which can be X. This is. It is saying. 72. It is saying that this is a 72. This is a 72. This is a 72. How much? 72. Clear? But this X is how much? 108. Now you can see we have linear pair. How can you see? Here 108 and 72 would be 180. 180 is a straight angle and we have a straight angle. 180 gives us a linear pair. Of course we have a linear pair. Okay. So it means this is 108. This is 108. Remember, if each angles of this diagram is equal and sides is also equal. Krishna was saying sides each sides of this diagram is equal. So we can say this is a regular polygon. This is a regular polygon. This is regular polygon because of angles are equal to each other and as well as sides. Each sides of this pentagon is equal to each other. Okay, is equal to each other. Now next question. Now you can see what education what does equation want to do say. It is saying find x plus y plus z plus w. This is equation. This is question with a diagram. Question is saying find sum of four angles. Now we need to observe each four these angles is where here, here, and here. So these four angles is exterior angles. Already we know what. Already we know total exterior angles. Total exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Here we have x plus y plus z plus w is how much? 360 degree. 360 degree. Yeah. Each exterior angles would be how much? 360 upon n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 360 upon 4. Would be 90. Would be how much? 90. This is correct or not? I think no. I think no. 120. So here should be 60. Should be 60. So we won't apply this formula because of we don't have a regular polygon. This is not a regular polygon. This is what? Irregular polygon. This is irregular polygon. Okay, this is irregular polygon. So to find out each exterior angles, just we will add what 180 minus 180 minus each interior angles. 180 minus here you can see this is what 120. So of course here would be 60. So this is 60. We can observe what vertical opposite angles, alternative and interior angles, exterior angles. So here this is 60. Of course this would be 60. No. This is 60. Here sum of co-interior angles is the sum of two angles, which would be 180. This is 120. So of course this would be 60. We can even check 120 plus 60 is 180. If this is 60, so this would be how much? 120 because of straight angles, linear pair angles. This is 120, so this would be 60. This is 60, so this would be 120. 120. Like this we can find out. we can find out. If this 120, so here we have uh, alternative interior angles. So this would be 120. Okay, this would be 120. And now this is 120. Suppose this would be how much? 120. Uh, let's say this is it 360 or not? 100, 200, 300, 400. Uh, we won't have what 360 because of this is not a regular polygon. That's why. Now I'm going to erase it. Find X. Diagram is like this. This is a diagram. Now, in this diagram, there is a question where this find X. Find X. Find X. Can you tell me? To find out the X, we have a different option. Here we can say this is 110. I'm telling you, this is 110. Is it correct? 110. No, not 110. This word is 120. Let's see. We have linear equation 160 and 100, 200, 250. 250. We have how much? 110. We have 110. So X is how much? 110. Okay. You can see. Now next question. Now question diagram is an statement. We don't have diagram. By observing question, we can observe our diagram of that question, of this question. Okay. Find the I'm telling you, we don't have a diagram of this question, and we can imagine a diagram of this question. How? Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. So number of sides of a regular is 9. Okay, and here it is saying each exterior. So to find out each exterior angle of a regular polygon, formula is 360 upon n. And now we have a number of sides. So we have everything, just we need to simplify. What? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon, this is formula 360 upon 9. 9 for so 40 degree. 40 degree. Value of each exterior angle is how much? 40 degree. Yeah, this is final answer. This is final answer. You can see what is the question saying. Again, we have a statement, and we need to imagine for more clarification. For more clarification. You can say this is a statement of next question. Find the measure of each interior angle, each interior angle of a regular octagon. So we have a polygon which is octagon, and octagon is a regular polygon. Okay. Yeah. Number of sides of this regular octagon is how much? 8. How much? 8. This is we have. We have number of this polygon. What else? That's it. So each interior angle of a regular octagon is a minus 2 multiple 360. It is applied. This formula is applied for different regular different polygon. That's why we are looking a minus 2. Got it? Now number of sides 8 minus 2 multiple 360. 6 multiple 360. So 6 36. 6 6 are 6. 6 3 are 21. So what is it? 60. What is the same? What is it? Same. No, no, no. This is not our formula to find out this. This is formula of finding the total interior angles of the regular polygon. Regular polygon. Formula of this is what? 180 minus each exterior angle. Now we need to simplify. Each exterior angle we don't know, so separate we can find a value of each exterior angle. 360 upon n. 360 upon n 8. 8 fours up. Okay, 8 fours up. 8 fours up. 8 fives. 45. Okay. 45. Now we have how much? 135. This is our answer. Now answer is the same that interior angles. We have let's say polygon. So this is interior angle. This is what interior angle. So each interior angle of this octagon. So this is how much? 135. This is 135. This is 135. Like this. Okay, 135. I hope you got it. Is it correct or not? Of course, this is correct. Now, next question. Next question is now find the number of sides. It is not saying find the measure of angles, measure of each interior angles, measure of each exterior angles, measure of total exterior angles, measure of total interior angles. This is question is not saying. This is not our question. Okay, question is find the number of sides of a polygon, and polygon is what you don't know. Polygon is regular polygon. Okay. Our exterior angles measure is how much? 45. 45. I think it would be each exterior angle. Each. Yeah, this is each exterior angle. Now, we are going to find out number of sides of the regular polygon. We don't have a polygon, exact polygon. That is what we are going to find out. That is what question is saying. Hmm? Now, whatever we have is that we have a measure of each exterior angle, which is 45. So each exterior angle, to find out each exterior angle, we are talking about exterior angle. Okay, 360 upon n. Okay, we have a value of this statement is how much? 45. Now, number of sides we don't know. We have linear equation. Just we will simplify it. 360 upon 45. 45. Here 9 fives are 9 fives and 9 fours are. Okay, 9 fours are. Now 8 fives are. So we have octagon. Octagon. Number of sides is how much? 8. Okay, this is how we find the number of sides of a polygon. Okay, regular polygon. Next question. Before next question, I would like to share something. Total interior angles. Total value of interior angles of quadrilateral is how much? 360. Even we can apply our formula n minus 2 multiple 180. Then still we will get what 360. So we have quadrilateral polygon. Polygon is quadrilateral. That's why we are saying what the total value of all interior angles of a quadrilateral polygon is 360. 360. There is no doubt. 360. What else? Quadrilateral has 4 angles as well as 4 vertex as well as 4 sides. What else? 2 diagonals and quadrilateral has more things. So we will see, we will observe. Don't worry. Now we can take next question based on quadrilateral. Based on quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Let me write question. This is first question based on quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. First of all, we need to understand very carefully what is question saying. What is the question saying? This is first step. Is that understand very carefully. Until you understand Question. What is the question saying? The four angles of a quadrilateral. If there is a quadrilateral, so it is sure that quadrilateral has four sides as well as four angles as well as four what vertex. The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. So here we have a ratio, which is this ratio are in angles. And now when it comes to ratio, then we need to show that this is lowest value of the angle. In the context of the angle, we have given a ratio which is lowest. We don't have an exact value of the angle. Okay. So find the exact values of the quadrant. Okay. Quadrant. If you want to what? If you want to make a quadrilateral of this equation, if you are able to, then you can draw draw a figure of this given quadrilateral. Now, already we are familiar. Just I told you a tiny information about quadrilateral. Here, total interior angles. So here, total interior angles. Here, total interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Is how much? 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. So 2x plus 3x plus 5x, 8x would be how much? So four angles, sum of four angles is always 360 degree of the quadrilateral polygon. We already know this. Now we have a simple linear equation. We need to simplify it. Then we will have exact value of exact angle. 2, 3, 5, 10, 18. 18x 360. 360 x 360 upon 80. 9 to the 9 4 the 2 to the, so x is 20. X is 20. Now this is final answer. Now you need to understand what is answer saying. It is showing that we don't have exact this answer. We just found what value of x. That's it. Now to find out each exact angles of this given ratio of this quadrilateral. So first 2x is how much? 2 multiple 20 will be 40. Okay. This is a value of first angle which is 40. Value of second angle 3x, 3 multiple 20 which is 60. Okay. Value of third angle which is 5x. So 5 multiple 20 would be 100. Okay. So this is the value of third angle. Now value of fourth angle which is 8x, 8 multiple 20 which would be 160. This is the value of fourth angle. Now we can check is it correct or not. How? Just we will do what sum up of these four angles. Then we need to see what we need to observe sum of these angles is 360 or not. If yes, then our answer is correct. If no, then our answer is incorrect. 60, 40, 100 and 100, 100, 200 and 360, 360. Yeah, this is correct. So this is what question was saying. Clear? Clear or not? Clear. next question. I hope this would be last question for this lecture. Next question I am going to write. Next question. Write this question. Then tell me, are you able to solve it or not? Write this question. It is the same. The measure of the two angles we have given. The measure of the two angles of a quadrilateral are 150 degree and 45 degree. Value of one angle is 150 and value of the second angle is 45. This is given. And the other two angles, we have left other two angles to make a quadrilateral are equal. Remember, two angles. If one angle is something, let us say 90 degree, then second angle would be how much? How much? Second angle would be same, 90 degree. This is what is the meaning of this phrases word. This phrase. Two angles are equal, and this is what we need to find out. We are going to find out. Find the measure of each equal angles. Each equal angles. This angle and this angle. Okay. If we are able to find out one angle, then we can say second angle is same. Oh yeah. These both are equal. That's why we have taken equal value. Now next is 150. Then next is 360 degree. Till here we are given. Now just as a linear equation, 2x 360 minus 100 and 50, then 160. So how much? 200 upon 2 would be 100. X 100. Okay. So one is and value of one angle is 115 and value of the second angle is 45. Value of the third angle is 100 as well as value of the fourth angle is same 100. Now we have option to check it. Is it correct or not? Or if the sum of these four angles is 360, then we can say our answer is correct. Our case is correct. 100, 200, 300, 300 and 60, 360, 360. Now next question. Next question. Now we don't have equation. We are going to move on next topic. Move on next topic, which is parallelogram or parallelogram quadrilateral. Parallelogram quadrilateral. Parallelogram quadrilateral. We are going to understand what is a parallelogram. It is already quadrilateral, but condition is it is already quadrilateral. But condition is what? What is the difference between quadrilateral and quadrilateral? It says that this is quadrilateral, but in this case, so pair of two parallels will be equal to each other. I am drawing figure of this word like this. Here, what is a parallel? Parallel, which means parallel lines. So how much parallel lines? Two lines. So two pair of parallel lines. We have two pair of parallel lines. This is one parallel line. This is the second parallel line. Okay. It says that measure of this is 5 centimeter. So measure of this is how much? This will be same because of the parallel lines. Now similar here, this is the 7, this is 7. You can see we have rectangle angle. Okay, so just you need to remember what when we would say parallelogram, then we can say pair and remember with quadrilateral. You are saying parallelogram quadrilateral. You need to imagine that a quadrilateral has a four side. So parallelogram says explains two pair of parallels will be equal to each other. Will be equal to each other. Nice, very nice. Next. Yeah, this. Let's break down it. Okay. Let's break down. We have four sides. Here, AB would be equal to CD. Yeah, BC would be equal to AD. We are breaking down it. Next, what else? AD. Yeah, we have two diagonals, which is BD equal to CD. Yeah. Whereas BD is equal to this is O. So BO plus OD. Okay. AC AO plus CO. Clear? AO plus CO. I think that's it. That's it. We already know angle A, angle C is 360 degree. Already we know. Right. Okay. But here we are looking, we are observing that this angle is not making at a 90 degree. No. Now, here you can say AB is perpendicular to CD, okay, and AD is perpendicular to this. Now it's a time to understand about rhombus quadrilateral. Rhombus quadrilateral. Figure of rhombus is like this. Okay, A, B, C, D. This is a figure of rhombus. Rhombus. Rhombus quadrilateral. It is already, remember, it is already parallelogram. It is already parallelogram. Okay. But difference between rhombus and parallelogram is what? Sides. Measure of sides. Measure of sides. You can say this is quadrilateral, which is parallelogram, which is parallelogram. One second. It is a parallelogram in which all each sides is equal to each other. Is equal to each other. Okay, is equal to each other. For example, this is a 7 centimeter. This is a 7 centimeter. So this will be same 7 centimeter. This will be again 7 centimeter. This will be again 7 centimeter. This is what is the difference between rhombus and parallelogram. Okay, this is already parallelogram. We have a two pair of parallelograms. This here we can say this is a perpendicular. This is what parallel to AB. This is parallel to AD. Can say. Let's click on it. Here you would say AD, AB, okay, BC, okay, this, yeah, would be equal. Clear? Now we have two diagonals. Once again, we have two diagonals, which is intersecting at which is intersecting at yeah. Can we say AC is equal to AO plus OC? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Maybe OD plus OB. Okay, okay. Then what else? What else? Yeah, we can say AC is a perpendicular. This is a parallel to AD, and AD is a parallel to BC. What else? What else? What else? Nothing. But here you can see. Here, this would be 90 degree. This would be 90 degree. This would be 90. If this, if origin angle of each angle, each origin is making at 90 degree. So of course, vertex, side vertex, this side, this would make different except 90 degree, except 90 degree. If this side, this vertex is making at 90 degree, so here here angle would be at a different value of here would be different. Okay, different or different. What else? That's it, I think. Now, rectangle, rectangle. Quadrilateral is also rectangle. Am I correct or not? Rectangle, in which we see two parallels. Remember, rectangle, quadrilateral, or rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, quadrilateral. Here we already know this is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. You can see, A, B, C, D. Okay, we have two diagrams. So here, a rectangle makes angle at 90 degree. At 90 degree. This it is a parallelogram. This is parallel. This is a parallel. Okay. We can say AB is AC, whereas AD is equal to BC. Okay. Okay. AB is parallel to AC, and AD is parallel to BC. Okay. Okay. BD is a diagonal in which BO is equal to BO and DO is equal to BD. Okay. Next AC, OC, OA. OC, OA. So here, what else? Here you can see this angle. This angle is at 90 degree, but here at origin this would make it at different angle except 90 degree. Except 90 degree. Remember always. Okay. What else? I think trapezium. Trapezium. And here, what is what? It can be written angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is making at 90 degree. Clear? Now, in the case of a square, A, B, C, D. Let's understand a square. What is the same? Here, sides. Each sides of this square would be same. 7, 7, 7, 7. As well as each interior angles would make at 90 degree at a vertex. As well as a square has two diagonals. Intersect at O. Okay. So here you can we can write what again. AD equal to AC, then BC, then AB. Okay. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Clear? And we know what BO and OD is BD, AO and OC is AC. Clear? So what's the difference between this? Here we say what this would be equal to each other, but this is a 5, this is a 5, and this is a 7 centimeter. This is a difference. So okay, breadth is 5, so length is 7. So here breadth length would be same in the case of a square. This is what is the difference between a rectangle quadrilateral and a square quadrilateral. Next.